engines. Commander Zimmerman will roll Blue Angel number 5 360 degrees immediately after takeoff, with the landing gear still extended. Simultaneously, Lieutenant Commander O'Donnell and Blue Angel number 6 will execute a precise slow transition, call the nose straight up, and complete the maneuver with a half loop, also known as an Immelman, as he exits the flight line inverted to the right. They're on the runway now, establishing fingertip formation. They'll accelerate their engines to 85% power, carefully check their engine instruments, and give Commander Bryan a thumbs up, indicating they're ready to go. With a signal from each of his wingmen, Commander Bryan will call for the selection of afterburner, and the Blue Angel Diamond will initiate this afternoon's aerial demonstration. Accelerating to 150 miles per hour, he'll pull back on the stick, flying the formation into the air. Immediately after liftoff, Lieutenant Commander Perkins will call for the landing gear and flaps to come up as he moves into the slot position, and they'll commence the Diamond Burner Go low transition will take off. To the left, Commander Bryan calls smoke on. Off brakes now, burners ready now, and the Blue Angel Diamond is rolling. As they pass before you, you will notice that the smoke is no longer visible while the engines are in afterburner.